Hi everyone and welcome, and today we will be discussing about how to fix Nocaptcha user response code is missing or invalid. So this is going to be a LinkedIn tutorial. Make sure to follow till the end so you get exactly how to fix this error code showing up, which is really annoying, and you will be completely fixing that up. So I have a couple of steps up and ready, and this is for LinkedIn. So first of all, let's just discuss that why this type of error code is occurring. So it could be due to your unstable internet connection, could be the first reason. The browser may not support Nocaptcha properly, so make sure to give try to that as well. You might have disabled JavaScript in your browser. That is slightly at the technical point, but you can give a try to that as well. Or it could be basically a temporary issue with LinkedIn itself. So we can head over to the sites like Down Detector for this one and check if LinkedIn is working perfectly fine. So now let's just discuss how you can fix this up. Fixing it up is pretty simple. All you need to do is check your internet connection, ensure that your internet is working properly, and a stable connection is necessary. So you're going to go with that, and then you're going to be making sure that enable JavaScript as I discussed in your browser. You can also try clearing your cache. It is pretty simple. Simply head over to your settings. From there, head over to your history. So it should be somewhere around. You can see we have cookies, and on top we have our basic settings. So we need to search for cache. You can search in this field as well. Let's just try doing that. So if I simply search for cache over here, I'm sorry about that. So you can see, yeah, clear browsing data, choose what to clear, and here you can select your cache. You can see cached images and files. Make sure you try doing that. That might simply fix up the issue. And else what you can do is disable browsers extension and contact LinkedIn support if nothing seems to be working. So I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching.